Okay, we are now live on Instagram. At 2 o'clock we're gonna be live on YouTube. So I've just only arrived to Romanian Consulate, and while I'm here, while I'm setting up, I'm going to stay on live, and you can watch me. So I don't know, it's the wrong side here, but freedom for Romania. So that's the Romanian Consulate, and I'm going to set up my single ticket. I have no idea how I'm going to do it, but we've got our Chechen flag. Here we have Chechen flag. Freedom for Chechen Republic of Ichkeria. We have Ukrainian flag. Here we have Ukrainian flag. Freedom for Chechen Republic of Ichkeria. Freedom for Ukraine. Freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Stop the extradition. Live. Let's check who is in there. Okay, Armani. Marš vojla. Vojla met tja duh rumenski konsulstvo alha. And we'll be setting up our ticket. Okay, now I'm gonna send message to our group. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi vejri ijri. We premo efirja tu Instagram qa. Tako, mildu, Chechen blogger in English. Okay. Whoever wants to join us, you are welcome. Čuval ušek Instagram čuval, Chechen blogger in English. Tu hola Engels mat bitu buje. ويا هنس هذا يحكي آخر مني كونسوس حلقة وبيكت أدين أمشي دهوش وبوصل بيش مرش يحكي freedom to Amina Girihano stop the extradition in life. Court today, so we're asking Romania to release Amina Girivanova, innocent lady, which is being held in Romanian prison for the last 8 months. Și ora de înalțat și закончил мел двух ордалаш, tu? اشتغل ميكش تحت بار دال خلو يخرطوا يشغل كان اشتر دوي حقيق وي حقيق نار حقيق так okay here we are setting up free Amina freedom for Amina we'll go all our banners and stuff and slowly we're going to be setting up here we are in London Belgrave Square in front of a Romanian Consulate. And we're asking stop injustice against Amina Girikhanova and release innocent lady. Stop the extradition. So while you're watching, we'll carry on setting up our picket. Sort out something. We'll sort out something. Do you know anything about Amina Girikhanova? Have you heard about her? Never. I was here 5 months ago as well. Actually 6 months ago. You don't remember, yeah? Stop Amina's extradition to Russia. Stop dealing with Russia. We're asking freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Romania is illegally keeping in prison. Romania kept for 8 months, around 8 months in prison Amina Girikhanova, and then after 180 days they were supposed to let her out. They didn't let her out. In fact, they put her to deportation center, and they're threatening her to deport to Russia, where she will be tortured and killed. So we're campaigning and we are protesting against the extradition of our sister Amina Girikhanova. Stop dealing with Russia. Release Amina Girikhanova. That's what we ask. And we will be asking for the justice. Romania is committing crime by holding illegally Amina Girikhanova. Okay. Unfortunately, I haven't got the clips with me, so I can't do. I'll have to do a demonstration. I'll do it different way. Okay, 1 second. We'll do this different style. We will do it in different style, okay? Right. Yep, 4 guys. Yes, Fearless. Okay, 1 second, Fearless. I'm gonna give you a call, yeah? 1 second, bro. 1 second, bro. Can you see the... Alright, let's hold it to this, yeah? 1 second. Let me sort it out, yeah? I'm gonna give you a call, yeah? My brother. And we'll do it different. You stay there, yeah? Okay. Here we have one phone. Here we have another phone. So, 1 second, my brother. Basically, as you can see, we are protesting against Amina Girikhanova's extradition to Russia. Right, where are you, my brother? Oh, no, in a bit, yeah, we can go live as well. I'm calling you now, bro. Normally, yes. So, how can are you still on live, yeah? Are you still in there, or you have to? Yeah, just do that. Because what I'm gonna do, because I didn't take with me the clips, yeah, the Thai clips. So I'm gonna demonstrate each banners one by one. And I want to see how can you see me. Yeah. That's the Romanian flag. So are you in from different phones? Yeah? So all I want to know. Can you hear? Can you see me now? All right, I see. So what I want to know, which position I'm perfectly. Can you see perfectly now? Can you see the Romanian flag? Full body. Okay, so from this station, one by one, we will show you the banners, what we're asking to Romania. We are protesting against illegal detention of Amina Girikhanova. All what we're asking is to stop the extradition. You can take me pictures and I'm live. And one by one I will show you our banners. So stop the extradition of Amina Girikhanova. We're gonna put this one on. Okay. It is case for women's rights. Yes, this is case for women's rights because Amina Girikhanova's rights, Chechen lady, our sister, all her rights has been breached by Romanian authorities. She has been illegally kept in prison due to Russia placed her to Interpol system, accusing her with false accusations, and Romania is threatening her to deport to Russia. Romanian authorities have separated Amina Girikhanova with her 8-year-old child. Her well-being is not very good. She is stressed, she's depressed, she's been separated from her 8-year-old child. She's suffering for nothing because Russia, she's suffering because Romania believing Russia's false accusations. So we're demanding to free our sister Amina Girikhanova. Case for women's rights. Okay, case for women's rights. Now we go to next. Case for human rights, obviously, because if you think Chechen lives not matter, you are wrong. Chechen lives matter. Chechen people are human. Stop deporting Chechens. Stop breaching Chechen human rights. So we are protecting our human rights. Case for human rights. Why? Because Amina Girikhanova is a human being who has been separated from her 8-year-old child, again I will repeat it, and now facing extradition to Russia by Romanian authorities. So we're asking Romanian authorities stop cooperating with Russia and release our sister Amina Girikhanova. Stop the extradition. Case for human rights. Yes, we're talking about human rights. While the whole human rights organizations keeping quiet, we are talking about human rights on the single picket against Romanian Consulate. Why? Because most of the human rights organizations are not doing nothing. So we hope with this live stream it will go viral and every human rights organization will get involved with Amina Girikhanovan's case and get her released and unite with her 8-year-old child. So, freedom for Amina, innocent lady, which is being kept in Romania illegally in prison, separated from her 8-year-old child. Her only fault is that she is Muslim. The Islamophobic, the Nazi Romanian police have arrested her and keeping her in prison unlawfully. So we're asking to release Amina Girikhanova. Freedom for Amina. Yes, freedom for Amina. That's what we're asking. There you go. Now, case for children's rights. Can you hear me, bro? No? Okay. I hope you can. Okay. Case for children's rights. So we are protecting children's rights because the son of Amina Girikhanova is suffering because of the Romanian authorities, again I will repeat it, keeping unlawfully Amina Girikhanova in prison. And after they kept her for 8 months, they now transferred her to the detention center and threatening her to be deported to Russia. Russia is a terrorist state who killed 300,000 innocent Chechens. So we're asking, stop believing Russia's false accusations and release Amina Girikhanova. She is innocent. Unite Amina Girikhanova with her 8-year-old child. We are protecting children's rights. Case for children's rights. That's what we're asking. Case for children's rights. Yes, of course. Of course we're asking. You made us do this. How many protests we have to do? We've done protests in Norway, in Austria, in Germany, in Ireland, in London. Every European country we are protesting against injustice of our sister Amina Girikhanova, but you are not letting her go. So we're asking you again and again and again, and we will be asking again and again and again until you free our sister Amina Girikhanova. She is innocent. Freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Amina Girkhanova is innocent lady. Stop the extradition. Okay, there you go. Huh? No, I'm live actually. No, you do it. How? No. No, I got no memory as well. So basically, Russia is the evil empire. So that's why we're asking Romania. Russia is the evil empire. Stop believing Russian false accusations to our sister Amina Girkhanova. She is innocent. Hello, you can record me. Russia is the evil empire who killing innocent people. Russia has killed 300,000. You can record this. Russia has killed 300,000 innocent Chechens. And now Russia is killing 3 innocent Ukrainians. They attacked the free country which was living independent sovereign. Russia is the evil empire. We will beat it again, and that's why we're asking to Romania to stop believing false accusations made by Russia against our sister Amina Girkhanova, and stop the extradition and release Amina Girkhanova. Russia is the evil empire. That's what we're saying. Okay? Yes, Romania, justice for Amina. We're asking to Romania, justice for Amina. We're asking Romania, stop believing Russia's false accusations. And we will repeat it again and again and again. Justice for Amina. Yes, justice for Amina. Okay, this is very interesting. Romania sacrifices to a tyrant. Yes, Romania sacrifices to a Russian tyrant because Romania is trying to deport innocent lady, the refugee from Chechnya who fled first from Chechnya, from occupied Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, because of the atrocities and all the injustice, all the kidnappings, tortures of the pro-Russian run government by Ramzan Kadyrov, and she fled to Ukraine. She found a refuge in Ukraine, and she was living since in Ukraine peacefully, no problems. But when Russia attacked Ukraine, Amina Girkhanova had to escape second time from Russian terror. And when she was passing the border in Romania, she got arrested and separated from her 8-year-old child. And since then, for over 8 months, Amina Girkhanova is being detained illegally in Romania. So we're asking to free Amina Girkhanova. Romania sacrifices to a tyrant. Yes, Romania, you are sacrificing to a tyrant, Putin. Putin is a tyrant who killing. Putin is the tyrant who killed 42,000 Chechen innocent children. Putin is the tyrant who killed 300,000 innocent Chechens. And now Putin is the tyrant, the same tyrant who is killing innocent Ukrainians. So we're asking freedom for Ukraine, freedom for Chechnya, freedom for Amina Girkhanova. Romania sacrifices to a tyrant. Yes, that's what we're asking. And we will be asking until we get the justice. The last one, we'll leave this one for the last. Okay, now interesting, very interesting. Okay, Romania. Yes, Romania, you will see this. No guarantees from Russia. Isn't future enough for you? Looks like not. I told you 6 months ago, I told you the same thing, but you're not releasing innocent lady. No guarantees from Russia. Isn't Bucha enough for you? Why is the Bucha? Bucha is a Ukrainian city where dozens of Ukrainian innocent women were raped by Russian terrorist soldiers. So we're asking Romania, stop cooperating with Russia. Release Amina Girikhanova. No guarantees from Russia. Isn't Bucha enough for you? Looks like not. Yes, that's what we're asking. The most and the biggest request to the all European countries, to the all competent people, to all humanity, we're asking stop Russia's membership in Interpol, because Russia is abusing Interpol system. Russia is fabricating cases against Chechens, against Caucasian people, against Ukrainian people. Russia basically abusing Interpol system, placing them to Interpol system for just having other mind, for just being opposition to their terrorist regime. So we're asking to all competent people in this world, especially in Europe, the Europeans, stop Russia's membership in Interpol. Russia is clearly be seen breaching all human rights. Russia not supposed to be in Interpol membership because Russia abusing Interpol membership in the Interpol system. So we're asking stop Russia's membership in Interpol. Yes, stop Russia's membership in Interpol, because Russia should not be in Interpol. Because Russia do not follow any law. In fact, Russia follows the law which is against humanity. Russia kills people, Russia bombs people. What are doing Russia in Ukraine? What Russia done before that in Syria? What Russia has done in Georgia? What Russia has done in Chechnya? So therefore we're asking Romania, stop cooperating with Russia, and freedom for Amina. Freedom for Amina. Freedom for Amina. Freedom for Amina. We'll show you everything what we have, one by one. You got anything here? No. Yeah. I think we got some handwritten ones here. Stop Amina's extradition. Freedom for Amina. Yeah, so basically these are the same. Freedom for Amina. We got loads of them. And if our sister Amina Girikhanova is not released, obviously we'll have to go and do mass protests all over in Europe, in every country. We don't want that. All what we want is a justice. We're asking to Romania to release innocent lady, and that's it, and save your reputation in the end of the day. Follow the European law. You are part of EU and you should be following the EU law. The European court has said that Amina Girikhanova must not be deported to Russia, but Romania is still keeping her in detention and threatening her that she will be deported to Russia. So we're asking freedom for Amina. Again, the Ukrainian flag. Amina Girikhanova was a refugee. She fled Chechnya and she was living in Ukraine. Ukrainian authorities have confirmed that Amina Girikhanova is nothing to do with any those false accusations which Russia blaming her. Romanian authorities are welcoming her actually back to Ukraine. So we're asking again, stop believing Russia and release Amina Girikhanova, innocent lady, our sister. And we'll show you the other one, which we stick here. There you go. Free Amina. Free Amina. Here we are in front of Romanian Consulate. We are protesting against the extradition of Amina Girikhanova, the innocent lady, in front of Romanian Consulate. And I think in this moment we will be finishing, actually we will be finishing soon. If you have any questions you can write here. If not, then we will end this live stream. Okay. I think we said enough on here, and at this point we will be ending this live stream. Freedom for Amina Girikhanova. Stop the extradition.